what do we have here, Ken?
Everybody probably knows this already, but this is the elixir for pain. And you just take your marijuana leaves and buds that you put, you know, you can get legally somewhere now in California, and you put them in 91% rubbing alcohol. Fill this thing up, so you got to buy a bunch of them. And then you put some camphor tablets. You probably have to buy, I don't know if Walgreens has them, I forget where I got them, but it's camphor. They're a little, look like those bubble chiclets. So then you put it in there, and you basically put it in a cool, dark place in your house or closet. You don't want it getting hot, and you leave it there for 6 months, a year, longer the better. This has been in since December 2021, and then you mix it up, pour it in some bottles, like that. And then I usually have some, put it on a cotton ball, rub it on your elbows, your back. Don't drink it, it's probably nasty, but that's what you get. Like I said, it's not I invented, this has been around since, if you're a Hispanic family, so probably, your grandmother probably used this. But that's pretty much it. It's my secret elixir, which is not secret at all.
So people have had really good success with using this?
Works good on your knees, sore knees, your back. This is $1 a bottle, today only. No, not really. But it sounds like snake oil, old Western. It actually works.
Yeah, because you had a construction worker who applied it and said it works great, right?
Yeah, he said he barely bent his knees, and then like the next day, he put it on at night. Next day, he was up there on up and down the ladder, and like a young buck. But put it on, you get sore back. Everybody's got sore backs. You rub that on there. Rub it on whatever ails you.
So it's easy to make. It's not expensive.
Yeah, this is 70% alcohol, which you usually get at Rexall. You want to use a 91, and this is, I don't know where this is from. Walmart maybe. But it's 91%, and then the camphor, which is you might have to get on Amazon or something like that. And then you can get some little bottles on Amazon, put them in there, pass them out to your friends and neighbors, and that's pretty much it.
All right, cool, good to know. Well, thank you, Ken.
There's one for you.
Hey, thanks, man. All right, try this out later if I get some pain going on.
Yeah, if you get pain, you know, or Deborah's friend had something with the wrist or something. All right, y'all come back now.
You here?